channel. For today's vlog guys, I'm going to teach you how to make a bamboo farm. So let's get started. Okay. Um for materials we need dirt, glass, building blocks, mud, hopper, repeater, redstone dust, observer, piston, chest, and bamboo. Okay, let's go. First, we need to make one, one, two, and place mud. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You can make it more longer, but I'm just going to do to to make it 10 blocks. And yan. Okay. And second, just follow this. Second, put piston here. Uh, Bamboo can grow, I think, 12 blocks. Yeah, 12 blocks. Bamboo can grow 12 blocks. So, I am going to make 10 blocks of, yeah, blocks. 10 blocks. Second, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Or I am going to make it, yeah, shorter. I think 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8. Fill it all it. Um, I am going to make sure this video is real. By the way, guys, this bamboo farm is compatible on Donut SMP. So you can make this on Donut SMP. Second is we are going to make to put observer here. Guys, subscribe, okay? Um, let's can we make 10 likes or and 5 subscriber? Okay, guys, put redstone. Yeah, put redstone. You can use slab to make this. Slabs can go on redstone. So I am going to use slabs. Oh, wait. Uh, I messed up. No, you cannot use slabs. I messed up. Sorry. You can just do this. I am going to make like this because you can. This thing is for donut assembly. Yeah, because and our base is on the ground, so you can make this easily. I am making it. I am making it not in the ground, so this thing is really messy, but you can hide it on your donut SMP piece. So okay, okay, like that. Put redstone. You can just put redstone here, but I am going to put so okay. Before that, before I put the bamboo there, I'm going to test it if this. Yeah, sure, right? Second is I'm going to make the storage. Um, okay. Now, okay. I am using mud, like mud, because hopper can collect collect item on mud. Next is chest. Yeah, chest. Second, we're going to put glass here. This is yeah. It's really easy to make. Just going to put this spoiler spoiler alert. I will upload tomorrow again. I think Sunday I'm going to tomorrow I'm going to upload another tutorial how to make easy farm in Donut SMP. I uh I just put grass there. I'm going to put some smooth stone here. It will be this thing is really big. Um, the bamboo you can put any height. You can put 3 blocks, 4 blocks, 10 blocks, 8 blocks like that. Then the mostly needed on this farm is bamboo because we are making bamboo farm. Okay. Okay. Put it. Sorry. Okay. Second, second is the the bamboo needed some light, so I am going to replace some building blocks to build stuff. It, it, it's not really necessary to be, you know, uh, it's organized. It's not really needed to organize, but I'm going to organize it. Um, you can put anywhere this you can put anywhere this bluestone anywhere, but the whole thing to be efficient is bamboo, redstone in the box, and yeah, like that. I am going to AFK this thing for I think for 1 hour. Let's if, what let's see how many I'll get. Okay, I will be back after an hour. Okay, let's go. AFK 1 hour in this farm and it's raining. By the way, guys, before we check the chest, how many bamboo it collect for 1 hour? I I put repeater here and block because the redstone is not coming on here. Um, it's 15 blocks away from here, so the redstone signal cannot detected here. So, but let's go. I am going to check how many bamboo we did collect for 1 hour. Ta-na-na-na-na-na-na. Let's see. Okay. Ooh. Um, mushroom like. Ah, um. Huh? Ooh. Yeah. The the upper is really slow, but it's efficient. I just AFK'd for 1 hour. I'm going to collect all of this. Bruh. Bro, what are you doing here? Go there. What do you want? Okay, let's go. Um, yeah, it's a little, but it's efficient. Spoiler again, alert! I am going to make kelp farm for a next episode. Okay. We got 1, 2, 9, 18, 22 stock and 25 pieces. Okay. For me, it's really efficient. Um, yeah, it's efficient. Um, I am going to check the time. It's 8:09. I started AFKing is 7:30, so it's not 1 hour. I messed up the time, bruh. But it's really efficient for how many? 30. I no. I messed up again, bruh. 30, 30, 50, 60. IFK for 50 minutes. 50 minutes. IFK for 50 minutes and I got this many. So for me it's efficient. Don't forget to put repeater here, guys. So the redstone signal it's going to go here. Yeah, that's all, guys. So subscribe and like and subscribe. Um, see you to the next video. Have a nice day and see ya.